Hello everyone. The Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports has established a task force aimed at reviving Formula One racing in India, with a target date set for the end of 2028. Sources from the ministry indicated that this task force will oversee motorsports activities across the country and regularly report its findings to the ministry. Recently, during a meeting in New Delhi, Arindam Ghosh, President of the Federation of Motorsports Clubs of India, discussed ongoing efforts to bring Formula One back to India by 2030, alongside plans for a round of the World Rally Championship and MotoGP by 2028. Ghosh highlighted that the discussions with Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandaviya, Minister of State Rakshak Khadse, and other key stakeholders were primarily focused on these initiatives. He emphasized the importance of developing Indian drivers and enhancing the overall motorsports landscape in the country, noting that the federation's recommendations were positively received at the recent FMSCI Annual Awards in Bengaluru. Motorsport champions were recognized, with a total of 137 trophies awarded across various disciplines. Notably, 9-year-old Arshi Gupta was celebrated as the youngest national champion, while other young talents received FIA President's medals for their achievements in karting. Additionally, Indian competitors who excelled on the global stage, including Naveen Puligia and Musa Sharif for their WRC3 podium finish, and Aishwarya Pisse for her historic win in the FIM Women's Circuit Racing World Championship, were also honored. Achintya Mehrotra and Arutran Prabhu were recognized for their gold medal performances at international events, while Tarushi Vikram received accolades for her silver medals. Volunteers such as Ashwin Kumar Pandit, C.V. Srinath, and Gautam Shantappa were also acknowledged for their contributions. Thanks for watching JMBDD News.